Welcome to day 5 of our 7-day yoga journey, Yoga Strong, here on Amina Yoga. Today we're balancing out all the strength we've built throughout the week with a more grounded and slow practice. Think of it as your recharge so you can come back even stronger tomorrow. Now, this practice is all about mobility and flexibility, but instead of melting into passive stretches, we're going to use our muscles, mindful movement, and our breath to take it even deeper. Before we start, as always, let's take that deep breath. Inhale. Exhale, release. Let's flow. Come to your knees at the back of the mat. Tuck your toes and sit down on your heels to get a nice foot stretch. Interlace your hands in front of you and start to circle your hands, releasing in your hands, your wrists. The feet and hands are really the foundation of our yoga practice, and we've been really working them a lot throughout the week. So starting here by giving these two areas a little love. Gently release the hands, shake them out, and let them land on the mat. Release the feet. Inhale, lift your hips, drop your belly, lift your heart, look forward. Exhale, rounding your spine into cat. Inhale to cow, arch your back, moving here with your breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, land neutral spine, core lightly engaged. Take your right hand towards the ceiling as you inhale, look up. Exhale, thread the arm underneath the left. Come down with the side of your face, your shoulder. Gently lift back up. Inhale, other side, left hand up towards the ceiling. Exhale, thread it under, come down with your shoulder, side of your face. Take the variation you did on the other side. Stay active and lifted in your core. And come back up. Walk the hands forward, come up on your fingertips and release your heart towards the mat. Keep the arms and chest lifted away from the mat. Just land here in this variation of puppy. Inhaling to draw your navel to your spine, lift away from the floor a little bit. Exhale, come back down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale. One more inhale. Exhale. Inhale, and then walk your hands back in. Tuck your toes, lift your hips, downward facing dog. Pedal your legs here. Take your right foot, step it up in between your hands. Open the back foot, the hips, the heart as you spin the arms open, warrior 2. Breathe here. Bend deeper into the front leg, active in the back leg. Flip the front palm, reach forward as you inhale. Exhale, take it with you all the way back, reversing your warrior. Here, if you want to add on, you lift the front heel away from the mat. Back through warrior 2, release the heel. Extend the front leg. Reach forward again, and this time come down with your right hand to the leg, to the floor. Left hand up towards the ceiling, look up. We're in triangle. Little add-on here, take your left arm and sweep it towards the front so your bicep comes to your ear. You can really open through the side body, open through your rib cage. Inhale. Exhale, look down, frame the front foot with your hands, step back to plank, lower all the way down through chaturanga. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's go for the other side. Step the left foot forward. Inhale. Open warrior two. Land here. Active back leg. Glutes are turned on. And then flip the front palm. Reach forward. And bring it all with you into reverse warrior. You can lift the front heel if you want to. Land back, warrior two, release the front foot, extend the front leg, lean forward, and this time come down into triangle. Left hand finds the leg or the floor, right hand up towards the ceiling, gaze goes up. Extend that top arm overhead so the bicep aligns with your ear. Really open through the side body, spread your rib cage. Take another inhale here. Exhale, look down, frame the front foot, step back to plank. Shift forward and slowly lower all the way down. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. Let's go for our second flow. Take your right foot and step it outside the right hand, setting up for lizard. The back knee can stay lifted or you place it onto the mat. Take your right hand by the side of your face, the fingers touching your ear, the elbow out to the side. As you inhale, twist to the right, look up. As you exhale, close the twist elbow down towards the mat, look to the left. Inhale, elbow to ceiling, heart to the side. Exhale, elbow to floor. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, release the hand back to the mat. And then just heel toe your foot out to the left. Release the knee, setting up for pigeon. Walk the back foot back so your hips come down towards the floor. Bring your fingertips or your hands outside the mat and come up on your fingertips. Active lift in your hips here. So you might even be able to lift your hands away from the mat. If that's the case, you can reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers. Gently release the arms if you have them lifted. Come down on your right sit bone so you can sweep the left leg all the way around. Extend the leg, grab a hold of your ankle and bring the leg closer towards you while maintaining a tall spine. If you reach for the foot, you can grab the foot or you hold on to the leg. One more breath. We're coming to stand on our left foot. Place it down on the mat. Shimmy forward. Maybe use your hands behind you to guide you. Plant your hands on the mat in front of you and then lift your right leg up towards the ceiling, standing splits. Release your head down towards the floor. You can have your hands down for balance, or maybe your hands find the left calf. One more breath. And then soften into a forward fold, both feet on the mat. Release. Deep inhale. Exhale, side out. Plant your hands. Step back to plank. Take an optional vinyasa. Lower as you exhale. Inhale, cobra or upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, look forward, take your left foot outside your left hand. Setting up for lizard on the other side. Take your left hand up to the side of your face, elbow pointing out towards the side. As you inhale, twist your upper body to the left, elbow towards the ceiling. Exhale, twist to the right, elbow towards the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, land with the hand back on the mat. And then shimmy your left foot to the right. So you come down to pigeon. Let the knee land on the mat. Set up here, adjust your front leg. And then lift your heart. Keep your hips slightly lifted away from the mat, really hugging your thigh bones into your pelvic floor. Hands can stay down for support, or you can lift them away from the mat, maybe reaching them up towards the ceiling, interlacing them. Gently release the hands if you have them lifted. Come down with the left hip so you can swing the right leg around. Extend the leg in the air in front of you. Hold on to it with your hands. Maybe you reach your foot. Maybe you hold on to your leg. You choose. Slow, steady breath. And we're coming up to our one-legged balance, our standing split. Release the right foot down on the mat. Maybe help yourself with your hands behind you. And then place them on the mat in front of you. Lift the left leg high. Point the toes. Kick the foot towards the ceiling. Extending. One foot down, one foot up. Release the head. Maybe you find your calf with your hands. Maybe you keep them on the floor for balance. As you exhale, release into your fold. Deep inhale here. And exhale through your mouth. Take a halfway lift and heel toe your feet out to the sides, toes pointing out. Sink low in your hips into Malasana. Inhale here and exhale, lift back up into your fold. Inhale to lower into Malasana. Exhale, forward fold. One more with movement. Exhale. And then land in your yogi squat. You can place your hands in front of your heart center to help you open your legs with your elbows. And then when you have this, engage your legs, keep them where they are, and then lift your arms up towards the ceiling instead. So we are active in our stretch. And from here, slowly sit down and release all the way down onto your backs into Shavasana. Release everything here. Soften through your entire body as you land in stillness. Let yourself really relax here. So often we meet the world with effort, but strength can also be found in slowing down and letting go. And on that note, today's question is, how can I invite more softness into my life? How can I invite more softness into my life? Let it go for now and come back to your body, your breath. Wiggle your fingers, toes. Stretch your arms overhead. Point your feet. And then come over onto one side and up into a seat. Eyes closed all the way. Let your hands meet in front of your heart center. And thank yourself for showing up with softness today. There's strength in that too. And I thank you for joining me for another day of our journey. You're ready, you can open your eyes. This was day 5 of Yoga Strong. Enjoy your journaling if you have the workbook. And I'd love for us to inspire each other in the comments today. So let us know, how can you invite more softness into your life? I'll see you tomorrow for day 6.